Hi ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my video. I will be showing you how I framed the back of my shower. Now the back of my shower looks like this. I put some board and I did the framing. As you can see, the framing over here, and then I can show you down here all the framing all the way to the bottom. Now I used 2x4s and I used a framing and nailing gun all the way to the top. And then see these piping over here? I did these new piping. Uh, it's basically like a type of air hose, but it's for water. See, I have the blue as the cold water and the red as the hot water. So they go from here all the way down. And I've also done that going in, if you can see. Then all the way down here, this white board is what I'm casing it in so that you don't see this ugly stuff. And right here, I have the drain, which goes from the second, but I also tapped into it from the other side. That goes to the ground, and then it goes outside. Right here, this is your drain, and it goes outside. I hope this helped you, and like and subscribe to my channel because I will be showing you other things that go with this. Oh, and I almost forgot. Over here you want to make a T so that if you have to open it and drain it from there, you'll be able to as well. So thank you. I hope this helped you. Like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to write me. Thank you and have a great one. Look for my next photo and video.